All right, guys, today we're checking out my newest listing here in Orange County. Now, Orange is just west of Fredericksburg and in between Culpeper. Orange also goes to the northern side, almost out to Charlottesville. Really cool county. We've done a pros and cons video of Orange County. It was actually our first pros and cons ever. I would highly recommend you checking that out. Now, today we're checking out a property that's pretty unique. It's on 5 acres here. It does have a detached garage, and it's about 1,650 square feet. Now, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it has a fully unfinished basement. Now, the only downside is no one's living here, so I don't have the greatest lighting. We're out here and a storm's coming, the skies are turning black, hot summer day, and so the lighting might be a little bit questionable, but let's get into it. All right, as you can see, we have this awesome porch right here. The driveway is a circle driveway, as you can see in the drones. We're about a half mile off the main road, so you can't really hear much. It's pretty nice. As you get in, we have all new LVP floor, coat closet as soon as you come in, but all new LVP floor in the living room. We do not have overhead lighting in here, so we have kitchen. We'll get into that here shortly. You go to the left, it's a traditional split bedroom design, so you have huge rooms on the left, and that's your second full bath right here. Again, they kept the LVP throughout, and then we have another really good sized second bedroom. We have a nice closet, a walk-in closet, and then coming back out here, now we have the primary out here. Again, massive room, real good size. Lighting has been capped right there, so you do have ceiling fan box if you were to do it. Again, I can't believe that storm's coming. It's kind of dark in here, but it's pitch black outside. So, and then you have your full bath right here. So this has a full tub, 2 vanities, and your throne right there. All right, so coming back into the main area, we have a place for eat-in kitchen right here, a lot of counter space. We have a cooktop, we have an oven, a lot of cabinet space, a lot of counter space, newer fridge right here. And then we also have your sink and dishwasher here. A little bit unique layout, but a lot of storage space regardless. And then we come out here, off the back of the house. We have this nice covered porch, probably 14 by 16, something like that. As you see, we have a nice garage over there. We'll show you here in a second. All right, so coming down to the basement. Coming down to the basement, just gigantic. So it's 1,620 square foot, 1,625, something like that. So you'd have 3,250, something like that, square feet finished. Decide to finish it. So you have your pressure tank, everything under the stairwell, hot water heater, insulated. You have your well lines there. Plus there's an outdoor burner. Decide to do that. HVAC's right there. You have your washer and dryer hookup down here. And then also your panel box right there with a generator plug. Big area down here. And there's a walkout. All right, so now we're gonna head out to the property. Now I got to show you most of this in the drone, but we do have what I would consider maybe even a pole barn over here, but it looks maybe 15 by 20, 25 feet, something like that. And then we also have awesome 4-car garage. Now the only downside is that it's not concrete down here. It's actually still gravel floor, but you get a lot of storage. And you see this a lot out in the country. The structure costs a lot and the concrete costs a lot. So you get away with a lot more if you can get away with a stone floor or gravel. All right, guys, and the last thing too, unfortunately it's locked up, but a 4-car garage right here that you have access to, which is awesome. Gravel floor, that's something I should say, not concrete, but gravel floor. A good amount of storage, especially since the structure's already here. It's really expensive to build the structure and it's really expensive to do concrete. So you can get away with it be a pole barn and just do a gravel or dirt floor, which you see a lot in the country, but something you could add very easily. I don't know if you can see that, but it's turning black pretty quick out here. So that is gonna wrap up the tour. I'm gonna try to get home before the storm comes, but super cool property. I pulled up, deer took off running, of course, and it's just quiet. For being on a main road, because we are on Constitution Highway, which is 20, which is a direct line into the town of Orange. It's a busier road, I don't want to lie to you, but we're so far off of it, you would never know. So you have like the lifeline of everything, but you're also super close. So I love Orange. I live right on the border of Spotsylvania and Orange. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. You can always schedule a tour with me. So guys, if you need to get a hold of me, we'll leave our website down below. You can just fill out a form or just shoot me an email. We'll put our team email there as well. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate. See you on the next one.